Hey fam. So today we are unboxing the second burst. Yesterday I started with this one. I unboxed this one yesterday and we saw so many good things inside. We started with this good hand hair dryer. We also saw this bag with so many good things inside, which I don't want to start mentioning now because I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so this one is the second box and it's also $25. And let me explain to you how it works. So this company is a beauty
guys, you see, this is why I call it
company,
a jackpot.
beauty product. That's what
This is
they
why
do
I call
with.
it a jackpot.
So each time they want to do like charity, like they want to donate to cancer patients, any kind of donation they want to do, so they will take $25 from their workers and give them this box. So you're just donating and you're still, it's like you're donating something to people and you're still getting something back. And these products are real products that let's say for instance people are bringing us some of these products and they fall off. Maybe look at this one, at the pack got broken and they'll just decide to give it out. See, this is Clinique. This is eye cream Clinique, like very expensive product, and it's not like it's been used. See, it's not even opened. So maybe someone just, maybe it fell off from the pack and they'll just give it out. That's how they do this thing. So many good things I've gotten from this thing. All the perfumes I use, all the beauty products that I use are from here. So let's go ahead and open it. So this bag also has the same, it has the bag too. See, yesterday's one has the bag, and so I just want you to know. See, it also has this. Oh, this thing is for, I don't know what it's for, but look at all these good things. I don't know what this one is. Oh, okay, all these ones are foundation. So sometimes things I get from these boxes, if I begin, they are not for sale though. I give it out to people. Look at, I saw one of these in this box yesterday, and I'm also, let me see what this one is. Sometimes you see things that will amount to like sometimes $1,000 because, oh wow, this is a purse. All these are beauty products. Look at, this is Dema-E eye cream, Dema-E eye cream, and I saw it also in this one. I think I saw it in this bag. See, this is hair shampoo. This is a, what is this? Okay, this is Miss Dior. So Miss Dior perfumes. So it came in this purse. This is beautiful. I'm gonna keep this one for myself. It's so pretty. It has eyelashes, everything that has to do with makeup. See, hairbands, a lot of hairbands. I'm definitely not gonna use this one by myself, so I'm gonna give out this ones. Look at this. This is perfume. This is a unicorn perfume. Skin healthy glow. This one is like hair cream. Look at a lot, like a whole lot. Let me still pour everything. Yeah, I'm gonna do it just like what I did yesterday. Just carry this thing around and so that you see it very well. So today's products, they are quite different from, they're quite different from yesterday's. See, this one is like hairspray. See, Valentino perfume. Yeah, Valentino perfume. I don't know what this one is. See, Neutrogena. Look at this thing. If you go to the store, it's like close to $100. This is Neutrogena. See, eyelashes. Unfortunately, I don't use these things. Nails. So this is how I saw this perfume again. I love this perfume, so good. Look at, So, ooh, this is a tester, you see. It's not for sale. That's why I always give it out. So some of the testers, they'll just give it out to us. And this is, I think this is soap. See, vanilla. Yeah. So I love this. This is expensive. I'm gonna use it myself. I saw this thing yesterday. I'm gonna use it again. So guys, this is all the goodies I'm just sharing with you. I love this. I love this so much. It has perfume inside. Another brush. See, another brush. This is a mirror. This is a mirror. So I'm grateful for this. As I'm ending this video here, and yeah. See this. I wish I'm going to Nigeria. It would have been easier for me. So this is for color. People that have color on their hair, I use this. This thing, if I begin to sell, look at scrub. This is scrub. I'm gonna use this one for myself. This is scrub. See? Yeah. Let's end this video here, okay? This thing now is very expensive. If you go to the store, it's very expensive. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for clicking on my video. I really do appreciate you guys. I wish I can see you all one by one and hug you and give you some of these things. This one is a soap. Yeah, they have a lot of good things. See another perfume. See another perfume. Okay, see, this is a roll of perfume. But it's like the sample ones. This is Boris. It's sample. Yeah. A lot of good things. Bye my people. So this one is the one I got yesterday. It had what is this called? Hair dryer and all other goodies. So we're stopping here. Bye. Love you guys. Thanks for watching.